Well, a lot of people who know me know that my son collects vacuum cleaners, particularly Kirby's. We were given this Kirby during the week, and thought it was going to be a big surprise. Gave it to him yesterday, and when we opened it up, we just found that it was a mouse nest. In fact, I can't describe. The only way I can describe is how this thing smells. It smells like the reptile house at the zoo. It smells like mouse shit. So this was going to go straight in the bin, but the motor on this is okay, but obviously it needs a massive clean out. Fortunately, a couple of weeks ago, we picked up this G7 with a broken motor, but its front housing does not smell like the zoo. Its fan doesn't smell like the zoo, so what we're going to do is extensive cleaning and swap them over. I've got the ultrasonic cleaner about to start.